Hey guys, I'm Pineapple Brain. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an attribute in the name while it split another line. So let's start. So first we are going to the sandbox, and here we'll go to player type and we'll choose the player and add a new variable for them. I will call it original name. So I will choose string and leave the value blank. Then we go back to the script, and here we will make a new action in the player join. So we would record their name, set the player variable. So set the original name of triggering player as the name. So player name, name of triggering player. So we recorded their name. So in case you want to change their name, you could use original name of them. Or if you want to change the unit name, you could use also the original name of them. So and then let's create a new script to change their name. So this will be update name every second. So we will use the trigger every second for us to change their name. So here we will for loop all players first. For all players. So if they are human players, we will do find all the units owned of by them. For all units owned by selected players. So we need to specify, or this is optional, we need to specify which unit type would display the name differently. So if the unit type of selected unit is human, so they will display the attribute in their name. So we will do set player name, or you can set unit name if you don't want to display it on the scoreboard. So set unit name, set unit name. So set which unit, set select unit name as the first concatenate. We will choose the player variable which record the original name of the selected player. So select player. And the next one, this is another concatenate. So the first will show the attribute for the player. So I will display the health of the player and select text B and another concatenate. So text A we will choose the entity. So this is not string. It is a number, entity attribute. So it would be the health of selected unit. And here, text B, another concatenate, we will make a slash to separate the max value and the current value. So a slash and text B, we would have the number max attribute. Here, entity attribute max, we will choose health of select unit. So actually we finished displaying the attribute as the name. But we have an aim to separate the attribute from the name. So we need to make a new line. So how to make a new line? So actually there's a trick. So move to the raw JSON view here and scroll to HP. So the attribute and the text A here. We will just need to put the backslash and N here. So like this, and click back to the normal view. You won't see anything here, but actually when you click back to the raw JSON view, you will see it appear. So this backslash N means make a new line. So let's try immediately. So here we are in the game. The name is displayed here and the attribute is displayed below. So we successfully displayed their name and the attribute separately. So let's try to get attacked by this toilet, and our HP may be decreased, and it updates. So it updates every second. If you want to make it update more rapidly or make it update more faster, you could make it here. The attribute, we could change it to every frame if you want. So that's all of today's video. If you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you!